E, E, E. Read, meet, tea, eat, easy, team, see, clean, beach, peach, teach, dream, please, speak, season, teacher. A, break, great. Breakfast, weather, bread, ready, head. Ear, near, year, clear, idea, theatre.